Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for for sending emails from CSV file. You can see I have my CSV file here. I'll double click to open it into CSV viewer. It has 11 records of data, and one of the column contains email. There are other columns like first name, last name, and also you want to use them while creating email. So I will download application from my website. To find application, click on search. I will leave a link on this site into description. To find application, click on search and type email. And I click on create email, and I click on I need send emails from CSV, which is this one. I click download and wait until archive will be downloaded. One important step is to make sure that CSV file is closed in any other applications. If you have it open into Excel, you have to close it because some applications like Excel, they're locking CSV file and it's not allowing any other application to access it. So if you try to use a CSV file into other application, you will get error that application some application blocking file, I cannot access it. So it's important to close CSV file if it's open into any other application. You can see archive has been downloaded. I'll click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI site archive to start installation, click on more info here. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown, so I just click run and wait to start the installation, click on next install, click on yes and click finish on final screen. Now I can close this and this and this, and you can see I have a new application send email from CSV installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I double click on it to open it. Now there is a link when I can download example file, CSV file example if I want to, but I have this file locally, so I click on select input file, navigate to my address CSV. I can add more files if I want to. The one requirement is that all these CSV files has the same columns, the same structure. If they are, I can add as many as I want. Click on next step here. If CSV file, first row of CSV file contain column names, I leave it as check, which is common case for most CSV files. They all usually have a first row as column names. Now, second step, I have to select my email column, and email is in email column. You may have a different columns here, it's okay, as soon as you have email into CSV. Now I can specify a subject of email, I can select column, or I can specify subject text. Also, I can click on this email template and it will generate me template for my email. So all this is fields from my CSV. You may have a different fields, but for example, I can specify subject like hi, first name, last name, right? And I can say, and I can add anything, email body text, and I can say thank you, some email body text or whatever I want to add here. And after I specified subject and email body, I'll click on next step. Before running final step, I have to make sure that my default application is email. Unfortunately, Outlook is slow and sluggish for working for creating many emails. So to make sure that I have email specified, I'll go to settings, right? I type settings, click, and here I find default apps. And for email, I have to make sure that Windows Mail specified, which is the case for my box. And then on final step, after all this checked, I'll click on run, and it will be creating drafts for my email. Unfortunately, email is not being sent right away, and I have to go and click send on every of them. But it's still easier than creating all the emails manually. Yeah. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. If you'd like to see more application like this and more video like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.